Welcome to Ratchet and Clank 2 Part 4, I think? I'm not sure. We just finished Planet Oozla, and we're going to the Mokhtar Resort, Mokhtar Nebula. Yep, I'd find thugs for less there. Hopefully, at least. This phone is just terrible. Oh, yep, Clank just got kidnapped. Wait, why wasn't Clank? Oh no, not this. I hate these sections. Okay. I have to remember how to control these. Oh no. Up's down, down's up in this. No. Okay, I got this. Get stupid. Manual. If I die, it's not my fault. There are 2 waves of these, I think. Two or 3. I'm pretty sure 2. But not sure. I haven't played this game in a while, and I hate these sections so much. This is one thing I hate about this game are the space sections, because they're so different, and there's only like 2 of them in the game, and you get like no time to learn it. Shield. Okay. Yeah, next round there's 20 of them. I think there's 20 of them to begin with, but I'm not sure. I'm just glad it's almost over. There. Comment down below what game you want me to play next. I'd like to hear you guys' suggestions. Shield. I got a full shield and a partial shield. So does that count as more than full shield, I guess? I don't know. Oh, there's one more, and it is done. Oh. Here we are. It was kind of gorgeous, actually. Okay, we're used to get some extra bolts. Okay. I don't know why, I just like breaking those. chopper. I'm gonna get the chopper. Just to show off what the chopper does. It's just a disc. I like the upgrade version better. Because it shoots out one disc, and when it hits someone, it splits up into more. These are like the most annoying enemies ever. Just because they are. Yeah. That was a crate. That's another crate. I'm going to die. Yeah, I'm just going to use these to try to get some nanotech. Oh, but I got bolts. That's good. You can get a skill point from here. Ammo? Yeah, I just got ammo. Bolts. Yeah. If it gets on the explosive crates, it will explode. Ah! God, I died. I'm so used to having it doing just one thing of damage. Because that's how it's always been in every game. This is the second game, though. This is one of the greatest sequels of all time. Or at least in my opinion. You guys have your own opinion. I respect that. What else do I think? Those are just some weird commentary right here. Okay, yeah. Some jackpot. They're not jackpots. Some things over here. Yeah, anything. I'm gonna do this like once or twice more. It's gonna explode. It's gonna give me ammo. For these two. Oh, Lancer, cool. Bolts, ammo. Cool. Bolts, explode. Okay. If it gives you 2, then it's always gonna do it. Yeah, it's gonna explode. There's just 2 more. Hopefully. Bolt. Nothing. To get the skill point, you have to get 3 bars. And the skill point is called, Clank needs a new pair of shoes, I think. Like, escalators, eels. Oh, buddy, Gary needs a new pair of shoes. And so just SpongeBob curses and dolphin. Okay. Oh, I keep forgetting to do the throw on it. Well, I don't even know what this is called. I'm just gonna call it Warple Strike. Warple Strike. Someone in the comments just tell me, because I have no clue. I'm an idiot. Like, everyone already knows that though. Okay, there's a lot of guys over here. I should have used the whatever it's called on them, the gravity bomb. When it's upgraded, it's called the mini nuke. I like that. I should have used that on them, but I'm just trying to upgrade my Lancer. It's almost fully upgraded, like 6 more enemies, actually. Yeah, come on. I really wish I could clank here, because, look at that. Here's another platinum bolt. You just have to jump on those boxes here. Or if you didn't get it the first time, you can come back here late in the game and you can get it. It's not that later in the game. It's the next planet, actually. Okay. More jumping. Okay. Oh no. Nope, 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 not doing this. Wait, yes, I'm actually going to do this. Work. Work? Mm. So this is why I just ran into that one, god. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna buy ammo for this. Or for these, I should say. Almost fully upgraded. Okay. I'm an idiot. Well, I'm just gonna upgrade the Lancer then end of this part. Sorry for me not doing any progress at all, but I'm just bad at this game. Well, one thing to not do on YouTube. First, play a game you're good at. Second, don't suck. Third, be awesome. I think. I like how this isn't even upgraded yet. Yes, I get it, help. I don't need help. I played this game 16 million times. And it upgraded, yes. With the Heavy Lancer. I love the Heavy Lancer. So good. Like, this is what they look like. Yeah. Okay. See you guys next.